If you've been trying to lose belly fat but nothing seems to work, listen carefully, because today, I'm about to reveal 10 surprising foods that are scientifically shown to melt stubborn belly fat, and most people have never even heard of them. These foods are not the usual green tea, oats, chia seeds, avocado list you've already seen 100 times. These are powerful, underrated fat-burning foods that target inflammation, boost metabolism, improve gut health, and help your body burn fat naturally, even while you sleep. And here's the best part, you don't need expensive supplements, fancy diets, or extreme workouts. You can find most of these foods in regular stores, and just adding a few of them to your meals could help shrink your waistline faster than you think. So if you're serious about reducing belly fat, if you're tired of bloating, tired of low energy, tired of trying everything without results, then this video is exactly what you need. Because by the end, you'll know which foods actually work, how to use them, and how to build a simple, practical belly fat burning diet without starving yourself. So grab a notebook, stay with me till the very end, and let's transform your health from the inside out. Welcome back to Health Craft Hub, the channel where we help you stay fit, young, and healthy with simple science-backed tips. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications, because we upload content that helps you live your best life every single day. Today's video is extremely special because we're talking about belly fat, one of the most stubborn, frustrating, and unhealthy types of fat. Belly fat is linked to fatigue, hormonal imbalance, inflammation, and even long-term health issues. But the good news is, you don't need crazy diets to get results. In fact, the right foods can work with your body to burn belly fat naturally. These 10 surprising foods I'm about to share are not commonly mentioned in typical weight loss videos. These are hidden gems backed by science and used in many cultures to support digestion, improve metabolism, and reduce abdominal fat. We'll break down why each food works, how it burns belly fat, and how to include it in your daily routine. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the list. 10 Foods Explained Plus Science plus How to Use plus Results. 1. Kimchi is a traditional Korean fermented food made from cabbage, radish, garlic, ginger, and spices. What makes kimchi so powerful for belly fat is its high probiotic content. Probiotics improve gut bacteria, which directly influences how your body stores fat, especially around the belly area. A healthy gut equals less inflammation equals faster fat burning. Bloating also reduces dramatically, giving your stomach a flatter look. How to use: eat 2-3 tablespoons with meals once a day. Kefir is a fermented milk drink loaded with probiotics. More than regular yogurt, it contains around 30 different types of healthy bacteria and yeast that help digestion, break down fat, and reduce cravings. Most belly fat comes from poor digestion and slow metabolism. Kefir fixes that. How to use: drink half a cup before breakfast or before sleep. 3. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and soluble fiber. Soluble fiber forms a gel in your stomach that reduces appetite and slows digestion, making you feel full longer. The lignans in flax seeds also help balance hormones, especially cortisol, the stress hormone responsible for belly fat. How to use: add 1 tablespoon to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Pumpkin seeds are one of the highest natural sources of magnesium. Why is this important? Because magnesium plays a key role in regulating blood sugar and belly-fat hormones. Most people are magnesium deficient, which increases fat storage. These seeds also provide protein and healthy fats, keeping you Satisfied for hours. How to use: eat a handful as a snack or sprinkle on salads. 5. Lentils are a powerful plant protein that most Americans ignore. They help burn belly fat by providing slow-digesting carbs, stabilizing blood sugar, increasing thermogenesis, fat burn through heat. Since lentils are rich in fiber, they also fight constipation and reduce belly bloating. How to use: eat 1 cup cooked lentils for lunch or dinner. 6. Seaweed, nori, wakame, kombu. Seaweed is one of the most underrated superfoods. It contains iodine, which supports the thyroid, the gland responsible for metabolism. A slow thyroid equals slow metabolism equals belly fat accumulation. Seaweed boosts metabolic rate naturally and reduces inflammation. How to use: eat seaweed snacks or add nori sheets to salads. Pears contain a unique type of soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin reduces visceral belly fat, controls hunger, and helps digestion. Unlike apples, pears have more fiber and less acid, making them easier on the stomach. How to use: eat 1 pear before your biggest meal. 8. Cottage cheese, low fat. Low-fat cottage cheese is high in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that helps burn fat even while you sleep. It reduces nighttime cravings, stabilizes blood sugar, and increases overnight metabolism. How to use: eat half a cup before bed for maximum belly fat burn. 9. Ginger is thermogenic, meaning it increases body heat and helps burn more calories. It also improves digestion, reduces bloating, and lowers inflammation, all crucial for a smaller waistline. Ginger contains gingerol, which helps break down stored fat and improves insulin sensitivity. How to use: drink ginger tea in the morning or add fresh ginger to meals. 10. Black coffee is one of the most effective
Before a
boosters.
workout.
It contains caffeine, which increases fat burning by 10 to 12% and mobilizes stored fat from the belly area, but only if taken without sugar and without cream. How to use: drink 1 cup in the morning or before a workout. And there you have it, 10 surprising, powerful foods that can help melt stubborn belly fat naturally and safely. The best part: these foods work with your body, not against it. They improve digestion, reduce inflammation, stabilize hormones, boost metabolism, and stop unnecessary fat storage, especially around the belly. Remember, you don't need to add all 10 foods at once. Start with 2 or 3 foods you like. Include them daily, and slowly build your routine. Within 2 to 4 weeks, you'll notice less bloating, improved digestion, better energy, reduced cravings, and a slimmer, tighter belly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Health Craft Hub for more science-backed health tips. And tell me in the comments, which food will you try first? Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.